what's up guys, the Miraie is back here, and today we have another package. It's not a package, I just bought. Yes. So here we are guys. This is my this is my first mechanical keyboard, and I'm going to open it right now, and it's so hard for me to open this thing. So here we are. This is my first mechanical keyboard, Rapoo V500Pro. So let's see the inside. Damn, it's kind of heavy though. Is there the keycap remover? Oh, here it is. Here's a keycap remover right here, and by the way, it's a blue switch. Here it is. It's a blue switch. I didn't open it first. It's kind of heavy than I have in my membrane keyboard. So I hope it works. So fine. Here we are. It's kind of clicky though. I mean, yeah, it's kind of clicky. And it's I wonder if I can change the key. Can I do that? Or I think I cannot because I'm so scared to do it. So here it is. It's the mechanical keyboard. So let me try it. Here it is. And it's my first. I mean, yeah, this took my first mechanical keyboard, but it's kind of clicky though. Well, yeah, it's kind of clicky in here. So now I'm going to remove this, and I will say goodbye to this keyboard because I'm gonna give it to my sister. I'll say goodbye to you, man. Sophia!
Oh.
Ito na.
Ano yan? Ay, wow! Patingin ng iyo.
And here we are. I can play Genshin with this. So I'm going to try the Osu test. So let's try the Osu test. So I realized that the blue switch in Osu is very bad and terrible, and it makes me hard to play, and my skill got nerfed when I use the keyboard blue switch. And when I use the membrane one that I have, my skill is just like that. My skill is just buffed when I use the membrane than the blue switch. So I can say that blue switch in also is terrible. Let's try the typing test. So I'm here in the typing test right now. So this is me using the keyboard, as you can see. So let me try using sentences. So in 3 minutes. So I'll take the test. 1, 2, 3, go. So here it is my result, and We have like 1 error and 40 speed on. I don't know what this called. So this is the review of my keyboard, my first mechanical keyboard like this one. And as you can see that, and they also, it's terrible. My skills get nerfed. That's why I wanted to use this keyboard, the membrane one, more than the mechanical. Like, blue switch is not into Osu, but if I can switch the switches, then I can just switch the switches. So anyways, let's just try to be used in this keyboard. I'll try to be used in this keyboard when it's to Osu, but for now, I think I'm going to use this as my Osu keyboard, but yeah. Because I'm into like this, like when I tap it, it's easy. I mean, my skills are buffed, but when I use this, my skills are nerfed. So this is the end of the video, and peace out.